Hello fellow maulers, this is Ron's Trains and More, back with another video here. I just thought I'd show a couple more Lionel train sets I got here. I actually just opened that CONRAIL Limited. It was completely sealed, but can't keep them in the box forever. They were meant to have fun with. You gotta get them out and oil and lube them and have fun with them. So anyways, I opened it up. It was brand new and sealed, and that West Maryland 1995 service station set there on top, it was actually sealed too. So that's two complete sealed sets that I've already run the CONRAIL a couple times, but the West Maryland I've never run yet. So you guys are going to see it run for the first time since 1995. So but anyways, this is a pretty nice set. It's a standard O gauge set. It's got, you know, the bigger cars. So this one came out in 1987. Of course, it's CONRAIL Limited. Boy, these boxes they did for these sets were just great. They should do Lionel boxes like that now, with that giant railroad herald on the front. I mean, it is just too cool. It's awesome. And then the train I'm going to be running on top is this 1995 service station special Lionel set. And if you notice, it does say made in America, so that's pretty awesome. That would have been probably during the Richard Coon era of Lionel, because most of his stuff was made in America. But yeah, that's a nice set there. It's got 6 hopper cars. In my opinion, I kind of wish they did the whole set with the black coal hoppers, but it's still cool though. It's got 4 covered hoppers and 2 black coal hoppers, and then of course you got the West Maryland caboose. It's a nice set. Got a little double can motored GP20 with horn and a lighted caboose. Then of course that CONRAIL Limited, it's an SD40 with a horn. It's double pull-more motored, magnet traction. But yeah, the CONRAIL Limited, it's got 5 cars with it in the set. It's got some pretty nice cars. All these sets have pretty nice cars with them though. If you go back on my most recent video, I did the CP Rail Limited set, so you can see what cars came with it. And then I think somewhere on my channel I also have the chassis system set too with the hopper cars. But anyways, this one came with a little 2-bay CONRAIL hopper there. That's pretty cool. Came with a CONRAIL refrigerator car. Boy, that's a nice pretty blue color they put on those. Got a little CONRAIL gondola with a coal load. Little steak flat car, CONRAIL on it. I think all these cars are CONRAIL. Some sets they would mix up the road names, but most of them would be all the same road name, you know. Got a CONRAIL boxcar on the rear and a CONRAIL caboose there. I still don't know why they included that type of caboose. It's an older caboose, but it looks alright. It's a good looking caboose. And then of course the West Maryland set, you got the GP20 here. I only got 4 hopper cars on it right now. It has 6. I just couldn't run them all on this tiny little 027 loop. But that looks pretty good though. But anyways, let me turn these things on here. I've got to get a bigger transformer. I had a ZW in some of my videos, but I actually got rid of it, so I'm going to have to get me another one. But I'm running them right now with this little, whatever that thing is, and that little post-4 45 watt transformer. I tell you, that's a good transformer though. That thing's running a lot of trains. But anyways, pretty neat. Nice and colorful. This little layout turned out pretty good. It's amazing I was able to fit all that on that tiny little board. But anyways, this may be a little loud when I turn these on, so enjoy the video. I'll do the West Maryland first here. Oh yeah, starts right up. Since 1995, brand new. Made in America. Well, that's a nice looking set for sure. Oh wow, that's thing runs good, man. Double can motor. I'd say that thing will pull a lot of cars, probably. Well, that's pretty neat. It's a good looking set. Now I'll get the CONRAIL Limited going here. Well, wait a minute. I gotta make sure it's plugged up here. I thought I had it plugged up. I guess I didn't have it plugged up. Sorry about that. Okay, we'll get the CONRAIL Limited running here. Anyways, enjoy the video. Oh yeah, starts right up. Well, that's a good looking set too. See, it's got that older type caboose on it, but it's still pretty neat though. Well, that's a pretty big blue CONRAIL SD40. Amazing these things run this smooth. Hard to believe all that runs that good on this tiny little board. And it all clears good. And oh yeah, these things are running good. I oiled lube both of those. They're brand new. First time the West Maryland's ever been run. This is about the third time I've run the CONRAIL. It's a neat little layout. Something good just to run trains on, you know. Pretty neat. Two good looking LIONEL sets right there. I need to hook up my 2 crossing gates right there and get those working. But you guys stay tuned to my channel because I got a lot more cool LIONEL sets I'm going to be showing. And I'm going to be doing some more HO scale videos here soon also. Yeah, the little layout turned out pretty good. I threw a couple trees on there, a couple little cars, and turned out pretty good. Hard to believe that big diesel, big SD40 is running on the bottom that good like that. Well, that thing is nice and smooth. Yeah, I can see why that Dakman Productions on YouTube, if you guys ever seen him, he's really into CONRAIL, so I can see why he likes the CONRAIL Railroad so much. They have some pretty equipment. Nice, pretty CONRAIL blue. Speed that West Maryland up a little bit here. Pretty neat. Little transformers almost ain't cutting it for these things. We'll have to get a bigger transformer. Speed that CONRAIL up a little bit here. Well, anyways, that's the CONRAIL Limited set from 1987 by LIONEL and the 1995 LIONEL Service Station Special Western Maryland train set. Speed it up there a little bit on me. But I just wanted to give you guys a look at those two train sets running here on my little LIONEL layout. And I got a lot more LIONEL sets and some HO scale videos on the way, so you guys stay tuned. Check out some of my older videos. I got some pretty cool videos on my channel. So, but anyways, I appreciate all y'all watching. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. I answer all your comments. So, but I enjoy reading them and everything. But anyways, I appreciate all y'all watching. This is Ron's Trains and More, out.